tilting TV wall mount bracket in-depth reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 691 ratings and 51 reviews. 91% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 5% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said great price. Nice and sturdy. Sturdy construction and easy to install. Take your time and measure and level. Great price. Would buy again. Use this to mount a 43 inches Samsung 2 7000. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Smaller than expected. The 55-inch TV was at the absolute maximum for the mount. I would have purchased a larger one if I had thought a little more about it. That's it.